This code is an implementation of a simple snake game using the Pygame library. Here's a description of the key components and their functions. Import Pygame. Imports the Pygame library for building the game. Import sys. Imports the sys module for handling system-related functionality. Import random. Imports the random module for generating random numbers used for positioning the food. Pygame. Init. Initializes the Pygame library. Constants, width, and height. Define the dimensions of the game window. Grid size. Sets the size of each grid cell. Grid width and grid height. Calculate the number of grid cells in the width and height. White, red, and green. Define color constants. Snake speed. Sets the speed of the snake. Screen. Initializes the game window with the specified dimensions. Pygame.display, set, caption, snake game. Sets the window title to snake game. Snake. Initializes a list to represent the snake's body, starting at the center of the grid. Snake direction. Initializes the direction of the snake's movement. Food. Initializes the food's position with random coordinates within the grid. Game loop. This is the main game loop that continuously runs until the game is exited. It handles user input, updates the snake's position, checks for collisions, and redraws the game screen. Pygame.event.get. Retrieves a list of all the events that have occurred since the last frame. The arrow keys, up, down, left, and right, control the direction of the snake. The snake's position is updated based on its current direction. Collisions are checked to detect if the snake hits the walls or itself. The game loop also manages the snake's growth when it eats the food. The screen is cleared, the snake and food are drawn, and the display is updated. Pygame, display, update. Updates the game window. Clock, tick, snake speed. Controls the game's frame rate to limit its speed. Overall, this code provides a basic structure for a snake game using Pygame, with features like controlling the snake's movement, detecting collisions, and updating the game screen. You can expand upon this code to add more features and improve the game's functionality and appearance. You can further enhance this game by adding features like scoring, levels, and increasing difficulty as the snake grows.